Hi, I am Andrew. I'm a real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway in Philadelphia, and today the first edition of my seasonal newsletter is out. I wanted this newsletter to be a way to connect with the people I've met through my career and to make content that will have them excited to read. Being the son of a chef, I knew I wanted to include a seasonal recipe, and this video is how to make the winter recipe, chicken champignon, a favorite in my family. First thing to remember is to always wash your produce. We're using 24 ounces of mushrooms, sliced. And you're going to need 2 garlic cloves minced, a head of broccoli chopped, and then 2 to 3 pounds of boneless chicken breast cut into similarly sized pieces so they all cook evenly. You're going to mix 4 tablespoons each of olive oil and vegetable oil. You pour that in the pan and heat it up. You may want to only put half of the oils in the pan first, depending on the size of your pan, as you may need to do 2 patches of cooking the chicken. Cook the chicken so it's not pink on the inside and has a nice golden brown color on the outside. Remove the chicken and set aside. There should be some juices left behind that you will use to cook your mushrooms. If the pan is dry, you can add a little bit more oil. While cooking the mushrooms, you can season with a little salt and pepper, and then you add your garlic and a half teaspoon each of thyme, oregano, and basil. Mix all of that together to evenly distribute the seasonings into the mushrooms. Optional, but suggested, you can add 3 tablespoons of white wine. Once all cooked, you can remove and put them in the same bowl as the cooked chicken. For our sauce, you can mix 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon with 3 cups of water. If you're using bouillon cubes, that's 3 cubes. Pour the mixture into a pan and bring to a boil. While that's heating, you want to pour the juices from the bowl with your chicken and mushrooms to get all of the flavor in your sauce. You're going to make your roux, which is 2 heavy tablespoons of cornstarch and about 2.5 tablespoons of cold water. Once the sauce is boiling, we'll slowly add that roux into the pan, using a whisk to mix to avoid any clumps. After that is all mixed in, we'll slowly stir in 1 cup of half and half or light cream. As the sauce is thickening, you can blanch your broccoli and boil 12 ounces of your favorite pasta. Lastly, we add all of our chicken and mushrooms to the pan and mix with the gravy. And it's finally time to eat. Put your pasta in the plate or bowl, cover with the chicken champignon, and garnish with your broccoli. This is one of our favorite dishes, and I hope it can be yours too.